Hello guys, my name is Robbie Freeman, and today I will be showing you how to make a horizontal navigation bar pretty simply. Now, what we'll be doing is we will be using tables. So I've already set up my CSS, it's been created, and I've set up my header, which is horizontal navigation example. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go right into the body, and we're going to create these opening and closing table tags. And you'll see that this is about to get very sandwiched with tags, but it's really for my sake. I know there's other ways to do this, but this is how I like to organize it myself. Next, we're going to do our navigation, opening and closing navigation. Next is list, unordered list, to be exact. Leave my opening tag there. Go down, closing unordered list tag. And after that, we're going to do table row tags, opening and closing. And that will be our row of links. So, next we're going to do type out our links. Now this is also going to be very sandwich. It's going to be sandwiched between TH. I have no idea what that stands for. I should know. I'm sorry. But we are going to do after that li, list item, and then a, which is our link. We're going to reference, we're going to do PEMDAS. That will be our little example. So we're going to do parentheses and parentheses.html, which does not exist. I kind of came up with that on the fly. Let's copy that down as our text. Now we'll close a, close list item, and then close th. And for efficiency's sake, I will copy that, paste it. We'll only do the first three of PEMDAS, so exponential. Delete that. And then finally multiplication. Delete that. Tab. Alright. Now we're going to save. We're going to open it from this. And you'll see that we have horizontal navigation bar, that's our header. And then here's our list. Now, looks all nice, except if we look closer here, where's my zoom? Alright, you can see that we have some dots, and that's from the unordered list. That is, we chose by default list style type, and we put down dotted, I believe, or filled circles. But whatever it is, we don't want it. So let's get rid of it using our CSS file. Alright, so I've already put down header 1. So after that, we're going to do th, and that is the th from over here. And that references all things that is sandwiched between a th. Now, I'm guessing that it means table horizontal, because tr is table row, so that's my guess, but I'm pretty sure I'm not right. But in here, we're going to do list style, spell style right, type, colon, none, semicolon, and that will get rid of our dots. Now, while we're at it, let's also jazz up the links, the row a bit. We're going to do that in list item. And next to list item, we're going to do A. And that's all the links in a list. So that really helps with the organization when you're doing lists in other places in the website that don't have links in them. Alright, so in that, we're going to do, let's set up our font size. Let's make that 20 pixels. Margins, let's do 0 pixels. Padding, 15 pixels. What else? background color is, let's do it from RGB, and we're going to make that a light shade of gray, really light, so 210, 210, 210, and the actual color of the text will be a near black gray, so RGB 32, 32, 32. Alright, that should be fine and dandy. Make sure this is all saved. I'll reload the page here, and voila, we've gotten rid of it. That is your horizontal example. As you can see, we'll click on it, file not found, obviously, because I didn't make it. This was just an example. But that's how you can use our method of horizontal navigation bars. I hope you enjoyed this. I made it because I had come back to HTML just to make a web page for Clicenti. It's been a while since I learned HTML, so I'd forgotten it. So I did some research, and I know people coming back to HTML probably forgot how to do this too. So this was just a quick reminder video. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys soon.